There we go. Why the stream crash, man? Am I good, guys? You guys good? Shit, that messed up the little stream. Hold on. You guys can hear me? YouTube side? Yeah, there we go. It works now. Alright, cool. Share this. Hey. Perfect. Alright, cool. Alright, guys, I got a little buys here for GJ. Start off my day. Gone right here. Have a 15 pip stop loss, and I have about 35 pip TP on GJ. You know what the funny part is? I haven't even marked up my chart yet. I entered based off what I saw. I'm just so used to it though. It's the way it looks, the way it's forming. This article is bullish, you know, my wick flow here. These are good buys. Personally, I would have had buys down here if I woke up a little earlier, but you know, it is what it is. Buys up here are also good as well. Yeah, have like a good. And then my stops are. This is your support being made down there. This is your range. Should be come fill the range here. This is because like our stop is based off the hourly kind of low. So if we do was like 30-minute close bullish, right? So the first 30-minute hourly close bullish above the range. So if this candle does break the lows, the 30-minute does break the lows, we're probably going to tune further down to this support. If you're not going to hit your stop, well, let's see what happens here. This is a trade that I've taken many times. If it does hit my stop, it's okay, because I'll take the same trade again. And again, you know. I'll take this trade 1,000 times if I've seen it. Hits my stop once, doesn't really affect me. I've taken it many times in the past as well. Alright, cool. Yo, gold yesterday, holy shit. We tapped 1780 and 89. I mentioned it last night. Look at this. Tapped on the dot. 1789. It was so clean. This 1 hour candle right here, we had a ranger. After what happened here, price broke out a range. After we came back in the range, we filled the range, and then we broke out our resistance to continue up further. This is a clean, perfect fake out. If you check the last Instagram post, this is what we talked about. This exact same move here. Oh, we got any news today? Oof, 8:15, we got some USD news. This looks like another fake out on GJ on USD on gold now. A fake out up to go down probably here. Yeah, so like standing for gold as last night for the buy. This is a fake out down and go up here. Because what happened here was we actually broke out of range. After we came back in the range, we filled it, right? Same thing here. We broke out above the range, and now we're coming back in the range, we're filling it. So if we do break this support here, we're probably gonna push down to the support down here at 1774 for gold. See what happens though. see what's popping today. Okay, perfect. Support was formed there. We broke above resistance. You know, first 30 minute kind of closed bullish, anticipating. We closed bullish above the range too. So this is the hourly low. We're anticipating this is hourly low, and price shouldn't break this low if it wants to fly up here. So probably when price gets around these levels, I'm probably gonna close half or move stops entry at this resistance here, and then probably gonna let the runner go all the way up to here. We're probably gonna break this resistance as well once we tap the resistance level. I'm expecting us to break new highs today, so well, not new highs, but new daily highs, I guess. Daily candle is bullish though. This might just be a pullback up to go down. If you do flip bullish, we could potentially reach this target today. 134.293. Yep, so 134.293 could be a daily target today. Because like what we're doing now is we made a support here on the 4 hour. We pushed up bullish, right here. Well, we pushed up bullish last night, and then what happened later was we actually came down to make support. So now we're just making a range again. Like, this is a range. We have this resistance here, right here. This is your range. From here to here, that's your range. This is your support, that's your resistance. So whenever price retests the high again, it has a higher chance of breaking it. So probably when this kind of flip comes up to fill the range, we're probably gonna break this resistance and fly up further up today. So you can potentially tap 134.293. Damn, bias here would have been good. Like this, if I woke up a little earlier, if I woke up at 6 a.m. today, would have had bias from here, stop loss below this candle, and TP up here would have been a better entry. But you know, price shouldn't even break this low if it wants to go up though. 30 minutes low should get respected. Very good morning, XGAE, what up? When you hop in his buy for his buy, what I'm saying. You can hop in whatever you want. These are the trades that I'm taking. You have the option to hop in, stay out, whatever you want. If you agree with it, then take it. But this is not really like, you know, no one's forcing to enter a buy or enter a sell or anything. It's up to you. Who's that? Jimbo, what up?
Yo, what's up?
You at the gym still?
Yep. Yeah.
God damn, this guy's working out. I'm on a charge, this guy's working out right now. What up, Robert? What up, Dev? What up, Andrew? What up, Sharif?
What's going on, Don?
What's up? Alright, cool, perfect. I think once DJ breaks this high here, breaks this high, should be a big push up. Should get like a clean traffic. Well, not clean traffic. Should get a huge push up after we break this high. But yeah, I'm still bullish on GJ. I was never bearish. The sell last night, I was not bearish. I saw the sells though. Last night during Asian, after we caught a 10 pip move buy up to here, and after we actually closed position, and then what happened here was when a 1 hour broke the low, these are clean sells from here. This right here, from here down to this support was clean sells. A lot of people who had the course caught it. They sent a bunch of analysis for sells as well, and it was very clean move down, and then now we made a support, so let's see what happens. We should retest the high here, and yeah, eventually push further up later on. But the buys aren't done, guys. Don't think that there's buys are done. We're in a seller's market, or don't think sells are done. We're in a buyer's market, Moves are never done, as I said yesterday in the Instagram video. There's never a max potential. There's never a max for a price that could reach, Price can do whatever it wants to do. All you gotta do is adapt to it. Cool, 15 closes bullish, nice. Cool. So once the hourly candle closes bullish, you can pop in their entry. If the candle closes like this, you can pop in their entry when the hourly closes, right? Because this is technically the hourly low, because the 30-minute closes bullish. So, but like, only if we close like this, if the hourly candle just decides to push up here and we end up like this, then there's really no entry. There's no point of entering after. You have a smaller range here. So, see what happens with the hourly candle. It should stay bullish and close bullish. But if GG does break this low here, this low, we're probably gonna push a lot further down to literally retest the whole move then at 132, right? But until we break that low, I'm pretty bullish on GG till this target up here. Percent risk per trade we take. This is a 3% risk. Well, less than 3% risk. It's always gonna be a less than 3% risk for me. Usually it rounds around like 1 or 2% per trade. Per trade. 1 or 2% of the account per trade. Guys, you gotta trade what you see and not what you feel or not what you think, Trade what you see. This trade has nothing to do with what I feel, It's just what I see here on GJ. Everything that's forming and all the accounts are closing, all, the stuff that I've been taking. That's very small money you will make that. No, it's not. I pop an 8.0, just think about my lot size. I pop an 8.0, 5 to 8.0 lot size, and that's like around 1 to 2% of my account size, depending on the stops. But usually it's average like 1 or 2%. 3% will have a bigger stop loss, but don't think of trading like, oh, you need to pop a big lot size to make huge gains, man. If you can't trade on like a $100 account using 1 or 2% per risk, if you can't even you can't even break down a whole potential move and catch the same move over again, or have that same consistently every day, then how are you gonna flip a bigger account? Like if you can't even do a 0.01 on this trade or a 0.02 on this trade and manage it accordingly, how are you gonna do it on a bigger account? If you can't move stops to entries, or you have trouble moving stops to entries, or you have trouble closing profits, how are you gonna do it on a bigger account? It just makes no sense. So Don, when you do lives, are you just showing us what you look for, or giving live trade here as well? This is a trade I'm in right now, so you can take it as whatever you want to take it. I gave a breakdown of it already, and you guys can do whatever you guys want with it. You guys can copy me, you guys, preferably I want you guys not to copy me, right? But I mean, the trade is there. You guys can do whatever you guys want. It's literally free education, free gems there, all day. Yeah, demo account size, you can play with whatever lot size you want. You don't really have to stick to a 0.01. Try maybe a 0.02 so you can, like, you know, close half and do all the stuff you want. Are you in profit? If you can see my chart right here, this is red and this is green. Red is not in profit, green is in profit. And it shows here how many pips I'm down by or up by right here. Right now I'm down, I'm at break even right now. Right there, break even. You know, TP is 35 pips, stop loss is 15 pips here. On this counter. Everything is on the chart, you know. If you know if I'm in profit. Profit is when I'm in green here. You know, I'm not in green. Profit would be looking like this, man. This would be profit. Right now, I'm not in profit. Just watch the past replays of like the last couple months, and you'll see an idea of. Just check out all the trades that I've taken in the live streams for the past like 4 or 5 months, and just you get a general idea of how I trade. The first 2 days, you might be a little confused. You might be, oh, what the fuck's this guy doing? How does he a buyer? How does he a sell here? You know, but if you just watch every single live stream, you show up every day. These things are just like, it's gonna be a lot easier to understand, and you're gonna see why I got in, or you know why I give breakdowns on my trades, guys. And it's out for replays too, so you guys can rewatch it if you guys want later on. You know, do whatever you want with it. But yep. Yeah, this trade probably looks similar too. This trade probably looks similar to a trade that I took last week. You know, the week before. I take this trade. This is a very easy I guess to call it what is it? What's the word? It's like a textbook play for me. Textbook play. Yeah. Yo, this is me, guys, where I can't trade if I don't have socks on. You know, I just put socks on, but like I feel like I can't trade without socks on. It's weird. Take it easy. Some of us here are beginners. Yeah, I know. Like, it doesn't even matter what your skill set is. Everyone has, you know, everyone wants to gain knowledge every day. Like, even me, I still get educated. You know, no problem if you're new or if you're experienced here. You may know things I don't know, and I may know things you don't know. You know, so we work together. We make the best out of it. That's the point of the streams, guys. Share your ideas with me. That's what I'm saying, guys. You guys share your ideas with me. You know, share your charts, share your analysis, share your breakdowns, everything. Share it. There's nothing no. We learn from each other. News in oh yeah, we have news in 8 minutes. Yeah, GP news. Oh, this is a speech though. This might take like a couple minutes to kick in. It might take like a 30 minutes until they kick in because this is a speech, right? So. It's not just like, you know, news comes, boom, price, it shows the stats, right? It's more of just a speech, so it might take a minute to kick in. I'm not sure what's gonna be about, I have no clue, but this looks bullish to me. I don't know how close half of MT4, yeah, so if you go on MT4, you go on modified position, at the top it will say negative 0.10, and then it will say negative 0.01, I think, or the other way around, not sure, but after it will say plus 0.01, so whenever you close half, you want to click on negative 0.01, so it'll close half of that position. That's how you close it. I think. Just watch a YouTube video, you'll find on YouTube how to close half. Cool. Like I forgot it down here. The team broke the lows. Oof, 15 broke the lows here, but 30 minutes still respecting the lows, so let's see what happens here. 5 minutes to the hourly closes. We'll want the hourly candle to close bullish, guys. We'll need to close bullish. If it doesn't close bullish, obviously we'll be out of the trades by now. But the hourly has to close bullish for us to be in it. 30 minute can close bearish and do whatever it wants to. I think if the 30 minute closes bearish, you can also have buy stops above the candle as well. Go up on the next candle. See what happens here. This trade was based off of 30 minute and 1 hour mostly, and the 4 hour as well. The 4 hour is definitely gonna go up, right? So even if like we hit our stops here, the 4 hour is still gonna be bullish, right? I'm expecting the 4 to come up like this. This is the forward candle I'm expecting. A big push up like this. Boom. Alright? But you know, if we get stopped out here, we can probably have more opportunities later on for more buys. But let's see what happens there. Currently down 5 pips. If the 30 minute breaks the low here, we're probably gonna pop down to I think these levels right here. This is a level we'll pop down to probably. And then eventually pop down to these levels down here. Let's see. I think these levels would be good if you do break the lows here. So stop loss is there though, you know, stop loss is not down here, it's here at the current candle because the 30 minute closed bullish. So I'm anticipating this is the 1 hour low for price to drive up bullish. Oh, someone's saying USD chart. Let me check that out. GPY with clear breakaway area. Yeah, I think you have some clean traffic here to the left here. I think you could probably put TP at this level. Right there, you have some traffic there. Here too. Traffic. That'll be a safe TP. But yeah, I think you can leave a runner or whatever down there. That'd be clean. That'd be pretty clean. Half at midpoint, yep. 15 minutes no top wick. Does it? Yeah, it has no top wick. But the thing is, like, the 15 minute broke the lows, right? It broke these lows. But the 30 minute is still open. Yeah. Let's see. 15 minute has no top wick, so this could just be a push down and go up. But let's see. Until it breaks the 30 minute low, guys, I'm sticking in this trade. And gold's gonna push down today. If 1 hour closed bullish, you stay in. Yeah, if 1 hour closed bullish, I'll stay in. Just depends on how strong the bullish candle, right? Because like if the candle closes weak like this, if it closes like this, we're probably gonna next candle's probably gonna push down like this then. On GJ. Oh. So if this candle closes bullish and the next candle drives down and breaks that low like this, we're probably gonna get a huge candle coming down like this. Let's see what happens here. Let's see, we don't know yet. You gotta be patient here. Stick to your analysis. I don't understand what you take a trade on. Is it some sort of breakout? Like I said, it might take a bit more experience for you if you're coming here new. This is based off of the fact that this move requires a lot more anticipation than just like a simple break and retest, right? This move was based on the fact that the 1 hour closed bullish here, the 4 hour closed bullish first, right? So actually no, the daily closed bullish first, and then as the daily closed bullish, I'm expecting this to be a target here. I'll mark it up. So this is a target for today. So usually when you have So the 4-hour closed bullish here, and we made a support, right? We made a support at this level right here on GJ, right there at that level, and this is your high. So I'm expecting this 4-hour candle to actually push up like this, bullish, to fill that range, because we came up yesterday and then we made a pullback like for the last 4 candles, the 4 candle before the last out candle. We came back down to make support. So when we made a support, we actually closed bullish again as support, showing us signs that this is your support for price to probably push up to fill the range here, come back to retest resistance, right? And when we retest resistance, we're probably gonna pop further up to this target today. I'm pretty confident we're gonna tap this target today, this 134.293, only if we respect this 4-hour candle. But if we do break this 4-hour candle, we're probably gonna push back down, right? So now going on the smaller time, going on the 30 minute, the 1 hour, you're gonna see that we actually closed, we made some type of support down here, and then we actually closed bullish right on this candle. So as we close bullish on that candle, it's like saying where is it? Hold on. It goes 30 minute. Yeah, 30 minutes. Sorry, it was 30 minutes. So this 30 minute candle right here closed bullish. So when it closed bullish, we closed above this resistance level, this range. And as it closed bullish, you can start to say, okay, maybe this is the 1 hour low, because this is the first 30 minute candle of their hourly candle. So this second 30 minute candle, I was expecting it to push up here, but now that the hourly candle closed bullish, we're still in this trade. We closed bullish at the support here, so I'm expecting this candle to push up like this on GJ. It's just that this candle closed a little weak, but I'm still, I'm expecting this to push up like this one candle coming up like this on GJ. And this trade probably looks very similar to some of my old trades. I think I'll show you guys on Instagram right now, actually. If you guys go on my Instagram, you guys probably see this trade 1,000 times on my feed. Hold on. Let's look for a similar trader. I think it was... Don't say this one. I think this one's similar. This one looks pretty similar. You see how, we made a low here, we made a support here, and we made a high at first. Then now we're making support, and now I'm expecting this probably push up further up again to retest the highs. Same thing as for the price right now. That's what I'm expecting on GJ. This is probably a similar trade I've taken before in the past. What else is there? This as well, right here. Oh yeah, right there. That's a trade. This as well. This is the same trade as well, but just opposite. This is a sell we took from here, coming down. Where else is there? There's, I think this one as well. This is a 30 minute time frame for GJ right now, right there. Same similar setup right there. Closed bullish above the range, came up bullish, filled the range here. What else is there? But yeah, it's probably a lot more trades, but I think this one as well. This one's probably clean. This one as well. See how on this trade we didn't actually break out the resistance here. We actually closed in here. So when we closed in here and we broke the highs, I actually had a buy stop there for price to push up here. But this trade is kind of similar as well, because this move required a lot of anticipation as well, because we didn't actually close above the range. It wasn't a simple break and retest. This required a lot more anticipation as well. But yeah, you guys probably see a pattern. A lot of my trades are very similar. I take the same trades again, over and over again. If this gets stopped out once, it's not gonna make me, I'm not gonna not take the trade ever again in my life. I'm probably gonna take the same entry again if I see it again, same setup. It's just, it has a high chance of playing out. It's still, every trade has that chance of not playing out. So I think what you guys could do, if you guys didn't get in bias here, you can actually put a sell stop below here for price to come down here. It's just, I'm not gonna take a sell yet because I'm pretty bullish today. I'm only gonna take buys today on GJ. Oh yeah, currency meter, yeah. Yen's, I think, is the yen weak right now? I'm not sure, I haven't checked it. Let's see here. If you break the lows here, guys, I'm out of this trade. There's no reason for you to be in buys anymore. Once you break these lows, you gotta wait for another setup later on. And now this would be your strong resistance if you do break the lows here. This is the exact opposite. Yeah, he got him when the 30-minute close bearish here. You know, some days you'll see my stream probably catching for more pips. Some days you might see his stream catching more pips, but you know, it is what it is. Trade. Okay, I gotta stop there in GG here. Trade 1. Buys -15. Yeah, guys, I'm on the trade, guys. So now we're probably gonna push further down here to this support. I think now that see how we actually broke the lows of the hourly candle. So now we're probably gonna this is probably our strong resistance we gotta break. So I think buys. I'm gonna take another chance for a buy later on, but buys will probably be above these levels. And I'm pretty confident that we're gonna probably retest the highs again and probably gonna break this resistance later on. It's just that our entries might be off a little bit. I think buys above this level, coming up to these levels right here. So we can catch later on. We can catch if you guys stick around long enough, we can catch probably a 40 pip move here in GJ. So you gotta be patient. That's the first trade of the day though. First trade of July. If you guys have sell stops here, you guys put an 8 here as well. I mentioned that if you guys didn't get into buys, you have sell stops right here on this candle coming down to this support. I think that's a 10 pip move there in GJ. Range. If you guys got sells here, after you broke the lows here, then there you go. There are your sells. I think that's there you go. I didn't take the sells personally, guys. Cause you had sells?
Yeah, I got 13 pips close now.
Yeah, it was pretty nice sells there. Once they broke the hourly low. So on the left screen, you guys probably see my positions that I took today, and on the right screen is what I called for today. If you guys are new here, but yeah, there are your sells right there. If I didn't take the buys and we broke the lows here, I would have took the sell stop. But unfortunately, I seen buys based off of 30-minute and 1 hour, and you know, as we broke the lows here, coming down in the range here. Buys above this level. Yeah, buys above this level and GG will be very clean. Above this level, you get a clear move up here. So don't be stressed. You lost 15 pips. Don't be tripping. You know, like you're gonna catch a 4 pip move here later on GG. I'm telling you guys right now. If we just respect the 4 hour low here, but if we break the 4 hour low here, then you can put buys out the window. You know, buys for today will probably be over with. If we do break the lows on this 4 hour candle, we're probably gonna push further down to this levels down here. But if you do get a breakout of this resistance level, I can easily say that we're going to push up to this level and eventually break the highs to this target. So later on, I don't I don't know when, but later on in the day, I think you can have probably buys from here, and you can have a runner up to this target for a nice 92 pip move. And we're definitely gonna miss that, so we're not gonna miss that. So keep you know, gotta stick around. But yeah, guys, pretty bullish for the day. If you do break this low here, I think you can possibly come down to, is this 4 low? That's 4 low, yeah. Sells below these levels. Sells below this level, we're probably gonna pop down a lot, guys, like a lot. I think down to this level here. This is gonna be like a, man, another 40 pip move. So either way, guys, buys or sells here, we're probably gonna, you know, catch a move here. Looks like there's be a lot of subs today. So today, guys, if you guys are, you know, try not to overtrade. That's the #1 thing to do today. Try not to overtrade, because I know the way the market's moving right now, I can see that there's gonna be a lot of opportunities for buys and sells today. A lot. So you just gotta be patient and just look for high quality setups. Don't try to overtrade today. Don't try to catch every move in the market. Be very patient. Why do I include wicks in the level? Which level? How long is the candlestick? If you look right on your screen here, you can tell when candles are closing. There's a 1 hour candle. You can look at your clock on your phone. There's a 1 hour candle. There's a 15-minute candle. Closes every 15 minutes. There's a 1 hour candle. There's a 30-minute candle. There's a 4 hour candle. You know, just the 4 hour candles are 1:59 p.m. Eastern. At 1:59 a.m. Eastern, and daily candles ends at 5 p.m. So that's all you gotta know. But the 15 and 30 and 1 hour is pretty standardized. You can probably tell when that's gonna close. Every 15 minutes, every 30 minutes, or every 1 hour. Good morning, guys. Happy to see y'all busy. That's one of my issues, trying to resist the urge to overtrade. Okay, so hold on. So this week is pretty slow for me. You know, last week it was a very hard week as well, and I managed to get, I think it was 100 and, hold on. Come to my thing last week. 157 pips last week on all, pretty much all GJ. The week before that we caught 270 pips with losses combined. So 270 pips in total. The week before that was 279 pips. The week before that was 580 pips. First week of June. Pretty crazy, but you know, guys, just gotta be consistent. You know, you guys are consistent. Like here's the thing. So you can tell if you're consistent if you're taking the same trades over again. By the same trades, I don't mean like literally like the exact same setup, but like the same trade ideas all the time. You know, like if you don't see like a nice pattern in your trading, and like if every trade free that you take is different, if you go back on your empty forward account and all your trades are different, every single trade is like different, then you're like, I don't know, it's, I guess you might not have that consistency level in regards of your playbook. I guess like you gotta create some type of playbook. for yourself. You know, you gotta have that type of playbook. And when you have that type of playbook, those are trades like those trades on your list of playbooks are trades you're gonna take over and over again. And if I don't know, if your trade is just random all the time, then I think you gotta reevaluate your trading style. Like this trade here, guys. This is a trade I'll take a million times. Like I promise you, I'll take this trade a million times if I've seen it. It hit stop loss right now, but if it forms again later on in a day, I'll take it over again. And if it forms tomorrow, I'll take it again. If it forms next year, I'll take it again. I'll take the same setup 1,000 times I've seen it, because you know why? Because I know that's a very probable high probable setup. It's a trade that I've taken in the past, and I'll guess it played out like 85+% of the time. Today it hit stop loss, but it doesn't fit. That's not gonna make me stop taking this trade. You know, I'm still gonna take the exact same setup. When did you call the GG's sell? I called it as right here. I said as I'm like, if you didn't enter the buys here, you could have sell stops right here on this candle, come down to this support, and you can go back on the stream and look at it. I think it was like during the trade that we took. It was like a quick little 20-second clip. You can probably yeah, I mentioned it. I said the target will be down here at this level, not down here, right? Because this is your next support here, and you might have some trouble after coming down to this support because you have traffic to the left here on GJ. So this was a clean traffic kind of move. That's a nice 10-pip move on GJ. But I didn't take it. I didn't take it though, because I just took buys. I'm bullish for a day. I'm not really bearish. Yesterday I was bullish for a day. I took sells. I got stopped up for 7 pips, and then I caught buys later on, which is my original bias, and I caught 27 pips. You know, just gotta stick to your bias. My bias is bullish until we break this low here though. Once you break that low, so I'm probably gonna take sells below here, coming down to the support. What was that in percent gain? ROI and account, not pips. Every account is different for everyone. Everyone has a different account size. My account went up probably last week, like I think 20%. 20, 50, no, I mean 15, 20% around there. Why are wick not including your levels? Because wicks are very weak. You know, I think I explained this already. Wicks are very weak. There's a reason why whenever price breaks a wick, it pushes up further. You know, like when you draw your support and resistance, you're not gonna draw it at a wick. It just doesn't, like, you're not gonna draw it like this. It just doesn't make sense. You know, we have this strong resistance right here at these bodies. Rejection, rejection, rejection. Like closed under, closed under, closed under, closed under, closed under. You know, wicks would be like up to here. Like it just wouldn't make sense. You know. I think bodies are much stronger when it comes to support and resistance. That's why I draw them there. I've been drawing there I think my whole life. I never drawn support and resistance at wicks before. Just at bodies like this. This is a perfect example of where I draw my support and resistance right here. You can't put a buy stop above the resistance, sell stop below support. No, because stall's below this level, but you have to see how price lines up with the other candles later on leading to this level. You know, you can't just put a sell stop here because this is just random. You know, you can't put a buy stop here. It's just random. Unless the hourly candle closes bullish here, I mean bearish, you can put a buy stop above this level. Probably gonna pop up if you break the high. But other than that, you can't really put buy stops or sell stops at these levels here. It might be, it's just very random. Yeah, wait to see how candles line up coming up to that level, or break coming up to this level. Gotta be patient. You have a trade journal? Is it just the last days of your trade? Is just a loser? Yeah. So on the streams, if you guys go back to every stream, I'm saying probably with the most confidence, we've been probably 85% plus aggregate on the streams. Yeah, it's just like the last, like we only took 5 losses in June, and 3 losses were last week. So think about it. 5 losses in June, and 3 of them were last week. So taking 2-3 trades per day on the streams every day, and we only took 5 losses in the month of June. In May we took 4 losses. Yeah, I'm bullish on pound pairs as well. Yeah, it's just like today we took a loss here. You know, 2 days before we took a loss as well. But we ended yesterday with a win as well. We ended yesterday with 27 pips, or 20 pips in general. But yeah, like obviously we're not gonna keep taking L's. We've been pretty accurate, and there's no, I don't know. This is, I guess the past couple of trades have been pretty tough, but you know. I had a pretty good month in June. I was probably my second best month. Caught like over 1,000, I think over 800 pips on GJ all July. I mean all June. I just traded one pair. Yeah, go back on all the streams, guys. Go back on our streams from March to June. See how often we lost. You know, it's not often. It's just tough days. But you know. Yeah, sorry because it's not been nice. June has been pretty good, except for the last week, end of last week and beginning of this week. It's been pretty rangy, but I think yesterday it started to pick up. It should pick up today. Like I'm very confident we're gonna pick up today to this target if we stay bullish here. Once we close above this range, this is the lowest you'll see GJ today. I think. But if we do break this low here, then buys are out the window. You know, I'll preferably buy today than sell today. But once you see GJ breaking above this resistance here, man, we're gonna push up for the rest of the day. And I can say this 1,000 times, but I've seen this play. You know, I've seen this a lot of times. Just that we're so bullish right now. It's just selling GJ is kind of risky right now. Once you break this low, you can take sells, but until then, like I'm pretty bullish on GJ. And I'm pretty confident we're gonna push up here. How bad was your worst month and weeks? My worst month was probably April for the past couple months. I think April was my worst month. I think we ended up the month with like I think a 75% hit win rate, but it wasn't, you know, it was a 75%. You know, other months we've been finishing 80 plus. You know, this month I think in May we ended up with 90 something percent plus on the streams. This month has been I think 80 something because due to the last week. If the last week didn't happen, I think we would have been 90 plus as well. But yeah, it's been unfortunate the last week of June. Let's see, this is the first trade I took in July, negative 15 pips. Let's see how the rest of July goes. Gotta stick around. Here's the thing, people. What up, bro? You're home?
Happy Canada. Yeah.
Oh, what up, bro? Yeah, it's Canada Day. No one said happy Canada Day? Where the vibes at, bro? Where the vibes at? Where's Sam at, bro? Where these guys at?
Bro, he got too lit last night, bro. Oh Canada, oh Canada.
Oh, Canada.
Red. Man, let me tell you. Yeah, I got the big vibes.
You don't have a bad losing month or week. It's been quite rare. I'm not gonna lie. It's been quite rare. Like I haven't had a losing week for weeks now. Like because like I take the same setups all the time, and even if it hits my stop once, I don't like it still has a high probable trade. It's a very high probable trade, right? So I just keep taking those same setups. It's like would you rather take a trade that you win once and never again, or take a trade that you'll win multiple times over and over again of 1,000 times? You know, you have to have like a sample size, and those are the trades that I take. I have a playbook of all the shit that I take. I take about like 8-9 trades of the same setups. And no, I'm not gonna put that info. I'm not gonna give you guys what I would take like, on a book, you know. But I'm not gonna give you guys the playbook. But you guys probably learned them on the streams. But you know, it's been very rare. Like since I had a losing week. Since the stream started, for sure I haven't had a losing week, and all the proof is on the streams. Literally watch every single live stream. There's probably like 500 plus hours of live stream content. go over all of it. Free knowledge. Like this, like you guys don't understand this. 1 day of your trading is not gonna affect your level of trading. 1 month of trading is not gonna affect your trading style. 1 week is not gonna affect your trading. 1 month, like a couple months is not gonna affect your trading. Like it's gonna take months and months and months of just. You have to have a sample size, you know. But you know, taking 1 trade is not gonna make you a bad trader. You know, you take 1 loss, it's not gonna make you a bad trader. You're still, as long as you're still overall consistent. That's all that matters. Yeah, gold's gonna push down here. Gold is gonna push down here. I think we're gonna pop down to this level here. You can wait for a 30-minute close bearish and enter a sell, probably coming down to the support. I just don't trade gold as much anymore, so but you can get like a nice huge move today, 100 pip move. Let's see. GG's about to close bearish. I think GG made a support here. So this could be a low. We made a support here. I think if GG here if a 30-minute breaks this high here on the next candle, we can probably push further up. Potentially. New York's about to open in 30 minutes too, so let's see what happens. Broke the low. Is it a great sell? 15-minute? Yeah, probably. Just your range is not that big, you know. You might be safe until this target, but it's like what? Like 5 pips probably, 7 pips. I mean, you could try it. I don't know. I'm not gonna sell GJ until it officially breaks this low here, this support here. But you know, you guys don't gotta really copy what I do. You guys can do whatever you guys feel. In regards to John Doe, your question, like I don't have losing weeks and months, but I have losing days, you know, some losing days, but it doesn't lead to me having a bad month or bad week due to my consistency level. But then again, everyone still takes losses as well, so don't think I'm, you know, some type of genius or anything. I take losses all the time on the streams as well. It's just that a lot of the traders that you guys see on Instagram, they never really tell you guys if they're taking a loss or they're taking a dub or anything. Like only when they take a dub, right? But when they take a loss, they never show you guys the losses, or they never talk about the losses. But here in the live streams, you know, all the losses and the winners are shown here. Win or lose, we're still here.
Yeah.
Take trades at Jimmy?
Just that GJ, so. I mean, I said GG, so GG's fine.
Yeah. Like I'm pretty bullish on this. I'm not gonna. I'm the 4 hour. You know,
It's like,
this is
once it breaks this range, then
like
I'll look this time.
what time is it right now? 7:28. Alright, you guys can talk about this later, but man, if we break the highest here, this count's gonna come up like this. You guys can screenshot this, you do whatever you guys want, right? But if the 1 hour breaks the high on the next candle, we break above this resistance, this count's gonna end up like this, the 4 hour candle. For this range here. But if we break this low here, you guys can probably see this on GJ. If you break the lows, you're probably gonna push further down, like this. If you break these lows right here. Look left, there's no traffic between that range and this range. Let's see how the 15 closes. Yeah, but taking sells, like the only sells you could have had probably was this sell right here, because you're still in the range here, right? This sell from the sell below, from there to here, as I mentioned, that would have been the only sells you could have took, which would have been safe. But taking sells now, you might have to deal with this range here, this short range here, so we might have some trouble pushing down here. It won't be as clear as this move up, but I think below here would be much cleaner for GG. So be patient.
What you doing for today's Canon Daily?
Bro, I must play some Warzone.
I used to say something else, bro. I'm like, wait. Stop.
I gotta make a new okay, no, never mind. Damn, this guy Samuel's asleep. I think if you're looking for gold cells, I think gold cells below this candle would be probably proper. Below that candle. Below this candle would be proper to come down. See what happens here. Let's see. 15-minute for GJ close, bearish. No button wick. 30-minute close, bearish as well. So obviously the chances of this next candle coming down is slightly higher than the chances of it going up by a lot because it candle closed bearish. But let's see what happens here. I think this 15 pip loss on GJ was probably the biggest loss we've taken for the past months on the streams. Like our losses are all the time probably like 7, 8, 5 pips, but like 15 pips, this is the most it's been in a while. At 50 pips might not be a lot to people, but like that's still 15 pips, guys. I think what I could have done better on this trade was probably wait for I think as we broke the 15 broke the lows here, I could have closed my positions right here. We would have lost like 4 pips on it. Oh no, actually a lot from here. 4 pips. Nope, would have been like 6, 7 pips. But you know, it's alright.
Astral Accelerator.
What happened?
I was reading this thing.
Fifteen pips, same 7 pips, because I use I've yesterday we lost 7 pips. I use the 8.0 on that as well as a 15 pip today. Either way, it's still under it's under 3% for me, for my account size. Cause like I don't actually use the full potential 3% risk. You know, I use a lot less than 3%, because my account can handle it. If I were to use, a full 3% risk, my lot size would be way higher. Probably a 10.0 or something like that.
Yeah, Lambo box.
Let's see what the rest of the day has in store for us, though. Let's see what's popping today. Oof, if the 4-hour breaks is low, guys. Oh lord, we'll have a 40 pip move down here on GJ. Oh shit. $6.45. Oh, 30 right here. Yeah. 4 hours will break the lows here, see what happens.
But this random dude messaged me on Instagram saying that he fucked with the stream.
Mine?
Yeah.
Oh.
So I was like, how you
Oh.
know I'm there? Yeah. I was like, how does he follow Instagram? He's like, oh, just look through the comments. I'm like, huh? Sir? Sir? Help? Police! Police!
Damn. Oh shit, we're pushing down here. Yeah. Gotta wait for hourly. I'm probably gonna wait for hourly candle or something. But, you know. I think, let's see. Oh shit! Gold, it broke the lows here. If you guys got entries here, I mentioned earlier, you'll be in profits here. We're pushing down all the way down to this target here. Damn. Damn. There you go, guys. Gold sells right there. Below that. That sells right there. Oof. Clean. Let's see how US30 is doing. I didn't mark this up today.
No, it's down.
US30, the support. Yeah, broke the lows. Yeah, US30 is clean as well. Yep. Stop should be an entry if you're in gold though. Okay, 4 hour didn't break the lows yet. 4 hour didn't break the lows yet. The 4 hour low is actually below right here on this candle. So once we break that low, we're probably gonna pop further down. Let's see. Until we break that low, until we officially break that low, guys, I'm not selling GJ. But yeah, it's pretty bearish right now. I think I put this around here. So target if we break above, what was it? 133.381. 133.381. Target if we break below 132.984. That's the 4 hour low, right? Yeah, 132.982. So there you go. Those are our targets for a day. It's pretty simple at this point. Wait for either side to break out. Yeah, 132.982. Perfect. All right. Be patient, guys. Be patient. It's the only thing I'm worried about for ourselves is like we might miss our entry because I'm not sure if I'm gonna be comfortable with a 30 pip stop loss. You know what I mean? And I'm probably gonna have to wait for the 7:15 candle or something, because this 1 hour candle is gonna close a lot, like a huge bearish, and your stop's gonna have to be all the way up here if you do break the lows here. It's gonna be at 40 pip stop loss, you know. So if you wait for the first 15-minute candle of the new hourly candle, you can maybe use that as your advantage and start to use that to your anticipation that that's the low for price. I mean that's the high for price to drive down of that candle. So let's see, because you want to keep your stop loss to the minimum, you know. Yeah, gold's pushing down here. This is gonna be a 100 pip move on gold today. A 100 pip move. I want to end my session. Yeah, and the session hasn't even started yet. So yeah, let's see what happens here. Let's see, man. Let's see. It's gonna be interesting. If you guys got on gold stills, leave a like on the stream. Broken down to the T. I mentioned how this is a fake out, right? Earlier in the stream, I mentioned how we faked up to go down here. We came back to fill the range, and now we're pushing further down. So this is a target today. This is gonna be a 100 pip move on gold for those that got in. If you let your runner go. Oh shit, we rejected that 4 hour low. If this 15 can close bullish, guys, we have a high chance of pushing back into range here. A high chance. So let's see what happens. Let's see. This 1 hour still gonna close bearish though, so there's obviously no trade for us. Buys would probably be above this level here. Fortunately, we're gonna have to wait for that. Let's see, what are spreads right now? Yo, Jimmy, what are spreads for gold right now on traders domain? Ooh, 1 pip? What? 1 pip? Okay, there you go, 1.2. That's crazy, 1 pip. 0.9. Oh, thanks. What happened?
They calling you, bro.
I think, I don't know. Stops are like if the hourly candle closes.
Spreads are back to normal. Really?
I think I'll enter sells in gold. Maybe if the hourly candle closes like this. You know, nice wick. Stops gonna have to be like 30 pips. The next has I'm pushed down like this. Let's see. Yeah, if you guys got on gold, just move stops to entry and let the rest run. Cause you might this kind might pull back, and then once it pulls back, you can probably pop in their entry as the 1 hour closes. So let's see, just move stops to entry though. Make sure you secured them. That was like a nice 20-30 pip drop from where we called it. Yeah, sells. That's where I said 25 pip drop. Alright, let's see here. Let's see what happens on GJ. 15's about to close here in 1 minute. Let's see. If it closes bullish, this might be the start. I don't know. Let's see. I can't tell you guys yet, though. I can't call tossing bombs like that, but it could be something. But let's see. There's no bias for me just yet, though. Even if it closes bullish, there's no bias for me. It's just some type of start to the bullish trend, maybe again. See how it closes. 1 minute left. I think I have a new rule of thumb. I think if I take 5 losses in a week or more, I will probably head to a simulator for over the weekend. But if I take less than 5 losses per week, I'm not gonna head up to a simulator. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Cause I haven't been on it in a minute. In like I think 3 weeks. Cause I just hate MT4. The simulator it sucks on MT4, man. MT4 is so glitchy. Hate MT4. But I think the last week of June was probably the worst week I've had. Actually, no, the last week of June wasn't bad. Actually,
It
yeah.
wasn't bad. It was
This week, I guess this week was the worst start of the week I've had in a minute. I'm not gonna lie. It's a very slow week to start off with. Like things started picking up yesterday. But let's see what happens. Let's see how the week finishes though. Let's see. We still have 3 days left.
Man, you know, not about to start, so to finish, man.
It's not about the start or finish. It's about the long term. Haha.
Yeah.
It's not even about the long term. It's about your life.
Oh, we couldn't kick it. We couldn't kick it. USB flat. Damn.
It's just being a streamer and just trading every day live. It's like, if you take one loss or something, people are just gonna think, man, I'm not gonna watch this guy's. I'm not gonna watch this guy's streams no more, man. This guy playing straight L's, and then after once you get like a little hot streak again, they're like, fuck, where's that this whole time?
God, they are so good. They are so good. I gotta narrow down him. Bruh, I don't know, bruh. It's just like you said, in this industry, bruh. It's no like you do good, they hate.
Yeah,
Bad, they hate. Like, what are you supposed to do, bruh?
can't really
Like, you can't win, bruh.
Yeah, you can't win.
No matter what you do, you can do good, lose. Bad, lose. What do you want from me? You help for free? Oh, not enough knowledge. Charge? Oh my god, you're making profit off of me.
Yeah.
Giving you you're making profit off of me, helping me get more knowledge. Like, come on, dog.
It's just the industry is very toxic. Like, you guys ever play 2K Park? That's toxic. But trading is a whole different type of toxic. Like I thought 2K was
This
toxic.
is like Modern Warfare 2. Modern Warfare
Like
2
it's
was
so
toxic.
toxic, man. Like I don't know, everyone's just so toxic. Like it's like here's things. This is what happens. You have traders that meet other traders. They're cool, and then all of a sudden, one does something that the other doesn't like. The other wants like, I say one does something, and the other one's jealous. They'll start hating on that trader, and then it's just a cycle of the same shit over again. It's just everyone just hates on each other. Like that's why I left every single FOREX group on Telegram. I left every single group. The only group I have is my own group, and we're not like I'm pretty sure we're not toxic. Is the group toxic, Jimmy? It's not at all, right?
No.
Our group is very friendly. Like I've made sure to keep it
Sometimes
friendly.
we butt heads, but we just get over it.
But like no, when they do butt heads, butt heads, it's like personal. It's like between them two. It's not just like the whole group though. Like the whole group is never that toxic. The whole group's pretty. Everyone shares ideas. Everyone just talks about the trades for a day. Everyone's just. I actually like our group. Our group's pretty chill. Yeah. I think everyone helps each other out in our groups. It's pretty solid. Just don't have FOREX friends. Yeah, I don't have any FOREX friends except for Locke, but he's not toxic at all. He's pretty. He put me on to FOREX actually. He put me onto FOREX and I ended up mentoring him. Crazy story, eh? But it just goes to show, guys, that does it just because you start ahead of something doesn't mean you're ahead of them. You're actually ahead of them. You know, it's like you learn off them, they learn off you. That's the whole point of everything. You know, that's what you gotta do. But when you start showing hate, you're never gonna really grow. You're stopping yourself from growing. You know,
Love, dog.
the worst thing you gotta do, the worst thing you're gonna do is probably just trash on other traders because you think that you know you're doing something correct and they're not. But you know, you can probably learn off of them. They can learn off you. You don't have to have like best friends in the market, but you know, just as long as you don't hate on other traders, you're fine.
Because a lot of hate going on right now. I mean, it's just I'm gonna speak on this right here. All right, so this man King Chong, I think the drugs are getting to him. Man. Like, no joke, the drugs are getting to him.
I mean, he's always been like that. Him and all those guys. That was like, it's just for marketing. I'm pretty sure it's nothing like they're not gonna do anything, bro. It's all just for marketing. You see how everyone's tuning into them now because it's all from marketing. Like they have like over like 200,000 subscribers. I mean, followers on Instagram. Like it's just for marketing, bro. They're just pure. They're good marketers. So it's you know, people see it as beef, but it's not. There's no beef at all. It's just for pure marketing. Both sides are gonna win at the end of the day. Both sides gonna gain some shit. Oh shit! Look at this, guys. What is this? What day is this? April 13. We had 251 subscribers. Now we have 650.
Wow.
That's like, how much percent of growth is that?
That
That is why you call it an account flip.
that's a 300%. 300%.
Who's on cam is that?
My boy, Too Stubborn Cry.
Who just joined the Zoom call?
My boy, Too Stubborn Cry.
Oh, 2 Cruise.
My man's enjoying the good park right now. On the outside. Fresh air.
Look at my old charts, guys. Look at this. When I dropped the course. What did I drop? I dropped the course February 14 on Valentine's Day.
I can lie. I fell in love.
If you guys go on my Instagram page, all you guys want to see is true knowledge, true value. There's no cars. There's no, you know, there's no money flex. There's nothing. It's just pure value here. Pure value. All these just, if you guys have time, just spend your day going through every single post. You know, you're gonna get a lot of knowledge from them. Or spend your day going through the Instagram live streams. I mean the YouTube live streams. Like you gain pure a lot of knowledge from them. Losses, wins, you learn from all of them, man. Like, that loss I took today, you guys probably learned how I took the loss. You know, not only did you take the loss with me, you learn how I took the loss. You know, I said how it didn't really affect me. You know, you're gonna learn a lot of shit in these live streams. Don't focus too much on the pips, profits I make. Focus on, you know, how I manage all those things. Like you'll never hear me say, "Oh, I'm the best trader ever." You know, you're never gonna hear me say that. Or you're never gonna hear me say, "Oh, I'm a GOAT." You know, I caught this amount of pips today. You know, you're never gonna hear me say that. Yep, 1 hour counts. I'm close bearish with a nice wick fill. So we'll see what happens here. It has to close below this range though for gold to go down. Hey, Chris has gotten a house. Yesterday, guys, I gave a signal out, right? But we made 10 pips off of it for the buys, right? During Asian. Like you guys know where I called the signal? I caught it on a bike. Like I gave the video analysis before I left the house, and then I saw what's gonna happen. I wait for the move, and boom! I put notifications on, price out there.
I hit the brakes on the bike dumb quick. Hold on.
Yeah, I did. I was on the bridge. I stopped. I'm like, oh, send a signal. Boom, close 10 pips. Boom, that's it. We got out the trade within like 10 minutes. You know, and it was pretty You know, like some traders need 5-6 monitors to trade, man. I was on a bike, man. I was on a bike. A bike, man. That's the
Bike,
second.
bike,
I'm 2 for 2 on a bike right now. Every time I give a signal on a bike, I'm 2 for 2.
It's like the bike of good luck. Yeah, the good luck bike.
Am I up for this week? What day did the week start? The week started 28th.
29, right?
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
Robert said the mobile market controller.
The mobile market controller.
Look at that.
Like I have right now I have 2 screens. I have my MacBook and I have my monitor. But like I have another monitor, but it's just not connected right. So technically I have 3 screens, but I just need 2. Like I only need 1 screen to analyze though. There's only screen I need. The other screen is just for me entering trades. And I got my phone as well for, you know, whatever I do, but
Quick whoop de whoop.
like I'm getting my computer like this week or something, so
Yeah.
probably gonna let go of this MacBook. If you guys want the golden MacBook, hit me up.
Costs $50 BTC. Look at that.
2019 16-inch MacBook Pro. 16-inch. This is the MacBook I have. This is
That's a surprise for listeners. So whoever cops it next gonna catch 1,000 tips birthday.
This is what I got right now. This is what I'm using right now for streaming and everything. But I'm getting.
You
I'm
got the bar too? What?
yeah, I got touch bar. It's pretty useless, but you know.
Yeah.
Okay. 1 hour's unclosed bearish here on GJ. Oof. Eyes above this level still for me. Yo, bro, Justin, you need. Yeah, I have a Ryzen. I'm getting a Ryzen 5, but like I'm trading it and streaming. I'm not just trading it. Like I'm streaming as well and I'm running games on it. So, you know, I need a better CPU probably. If I'm getting something that bad, it's Ryzen 5, 2600. Like, you know, if I was just web surfing, yeah, it'll make sense. I don't need that much shit, but I'm streaming too, you know. I'm streaming on OBS. I'm running a lot of games as well, so. My GPU ain't bad though. My GPU is a 1660. Not bad. Yeah, 1660. This is my CPU. I'm getting. I was gonna get the Ryzen 3600, but I might as well get the Ryzen 2600 because I think it only has a 20% more increase. Let's see. I don't know. I think the Ryzen 2600 is more worth it. Plus, it's a lot cheaper too. For a 20% plus increase, I'd rather get the Ryzen 2600. My PC ain't that crazy, but I don't do crazy things, you know. I don't really edit or anything like that, or do any of that stuff. Web surf, stream, and game. You know, soon you're gonna see me rocking like a, you know, you're gonna see me rocking a Ryzen 7 soon, you know, with the 26 monitors.
Oh no, bro. Max 3 monitors for me, bro. I don't know how people do that. 7, 6 monitors thing.
Where are you from? I'm from Australia. I'm from Toronto, Canada. Canada. So it's Canada, guys. So if you guys,
Oh yeah, Dom can turn up, but he got a surprise for y'all, man. On stream.
oh, you guys want a surprise today? I might drop another video today. You guys want another video today?
Yeah.
You know, guys, I might drop another video today for Canada Day. What do you guys want though? What do you guys want though? Let me know in the chat what do you guys want. Chat, what do you want? What do you want, chat?
What do you want?
You know, if I stream, bro, there would be bare donations, I think. On Twitch, if I stream on Twitch, there'll be donations and subs. Yeah, but it's kind of ass. No one really does it. Are you looking for buys now? No, not now. No. This is bearish now, so we're probably gonna push down further, right? But I don't know. I'm not looking for buys. Sells below this candle for sure, though. I'm probably gonna sell below this candle. We have some opportunities here. Buys above this candle, for sure. Games
you're
must be
chilling.
crisp. Yeah, I'm running Warzone. I'm probably gonna get like 140 FPS on Warzone or something.
Damn.
120,
Every movement.
100, something like that. But if I get a better GPU, probably get 200
Type of
FPS.
keyboard or mouse you rocking, bro?
Just a Razer. Razer and Corsair keyboard probably. A lot of low IQ people watch Twitch. It's not best for yeah. Probably YouTube is best.
Low IQ people, I'm dead. Just trying to say we saw something. Like, what do you, bro? Shit, while we just chilling. Oh, let's see.
Yeah, gold. See how gold closed back into range here? It closed bearish back into range. You gotta stop the entry probably on this sell stuff that I mentioned earlier. So like, there's no sells just yet right now. There's no sells at all. You need an actual close below these candles. So like, who asked me about wicks? Why I don't put out wicks earlier? This is why, because see how this wick closed. Like, we made a wick down here, but are you gonna put your support down here now? Because wicks are actually support, but on a smart time frame. So wick, okay, let me give you a little lesson in wicks. So you see you have a candle like this, bearish. This wick right here on a smaller time frame is actually a body. This is what it is on a smaller time frame. You have price come down, drops, and then you have another candle coming down, drops, and then all of a sudden you have a bullish candle come back up bullish. And that's what creates the wick, right? So now this three candles form this candle right here. Actually no, these four candles right here. Actually not these three candles, four candles right here. Boom. These four candles, this candle closed bullish at the end, which is what made that wick. So when you now have a support rate like this now. You have a support like this. So obviously on this on the 1 hour time frame, once you actually break below that support, we're probably gonna push further down here. Like that. Right? But that's what wicks are. Wicks are actually support, but it's just on a smaller time frame. But yeah, I'm not gonna draw my support like this though. Like this, you know, it just doesn't make sense for me. This candle, this body closed in the range here, in this support. So the support is still valid, not this support. So I guess wicks are just made for like more of just pending orders, I guess. But to determine your actual support and resistance, that'll be the bodies. Okay, so GJ. If GJ continues up here on this candle bullish, I think like this, I'm gonna have a bias up here probably. Bias above this level for sure. If you flip bullish like this, we're probably gonna push up all the way up to this support like this. And this will probably be a gulag move because this candle's gonna close bullish here, and then the next candle, because look, there's no support made on the right side here. So if you do pop up like this, I'm probably gonna be very cautious with it. I'm probably gonna move stops entry like, or once it closes, I'm probably gonna close the majority of my positions. Let's see though. Let's see. This candle can still come down bearish here. You gotta be patient. How many trades did you call today? 1 or 2? I called two. I called 2 trades technically. 1 trade I took, 1 trade I didn't take. The sells were called, and then the buys were taken and called as well. But I didn't take the sells because I just took a buy. Will we think 50-minute low? Yeah, potentially I will. Yeah, potentially. I think the 30-minute low will be safe, but yeah, 50-minute low does make sense as well. I don't know. I just really want to count but push up but above this range here. But if it doesn't, then we're probably gonna push down. Can't really do much about it. I think stop's gonna be like 8 pips on this sell if you do break this low here. I wanted a 30-minute close bullish, you know, but let's see. The 15 closed bullish, the last 15-minute candle. I guess GG made a high here, and this is the high push down, then this candle's probably gonna push further down. 4 hours on close soon, you know. The 4 hour never broke the lows though. That's the thing. Let's see what happens here. This is a gulag play as well right here. Right here, boom, cover this up. This kind of became bearish, but then what happened after was there's not enough support to the right side here. So this kind of came back to make a support here. So now we have this support here. I think once you break this low again, we'll be good to come down for sure. On gold. 1 hour did close bearish though, so. I'm probably gonna sell GJ once it breaks the 30-minute low here. 10 pip stops. I'm gonna sell here, guys. I sold GJ right here. Booms. And my stop loss is this candle high, current candle high, and then my TP is down here at the support. 4 hours or break the lows here.
You let it off, my friend.
Stop loss. Oh, I was 133.1. I had to you see how fast I typed that though, bro? I gotta type so fast.
You put the letter.
Yeah, I can change it. Yeah, but they know what I mean.
Yeah.
What are currency steps of a K?
Huh?
What?
$1.
Oh shit, really?
It's only on some brokers you have it. Someone can be like, okay, what's selling? Selling pound.
If I gone right here, that would have been. I go back. There you go. Yep. In the sell right now, guys. Going right here. Stop loss is the current candle high, because now that we broke the lows, this is probably the 1 hour high. If price wants to drive down here, and we're about to break the 4 hour low here, and once you break this low here, you're gonna see a clean waterfall down on GJ.
132.
Oh, there it goes. We're breaking the lows here.
Goodbye.
You're gonna see a waterfall here, and a waterfall. Literally.
Hey, Red, draw that stick man.
This is what you're gonna see on GJ here. This is what you're gonna see. Boom. This is what you're gonna see. And I'm gonna leave this candle here until it closes. Alright, so we're not gonna look at this. We're gonna look at my drawing, and then when it comes down to that target, I'm gonna erase the candle, and you're gonna see the exact same candle on GJ.
Take a screenshot right now. Go.
I'll take a screenshot. Alright. I think I'm like 10 pips in profit, I think. Oh no, 5 pips, I'm tripping. Now, well, I'm gonna move my stops to entry though on GJ. Because now that we're tapping the support here, this wick was a support. This is a minor support, so I'm moving my stops to entry here on GJ. Letting the rest run risk free. I'm like 5 pips in profit right now. You are a genius? No, I am not. I'm not a genius. I'm just, I just take the same selves every time. This same sell setup is the same setup I took on a buy earlier. I just stuff doesn't play out sometimes. But this is the exact count I see right now on GJ. This one huge candle coming down like this. The last, before we broke the lows, we should get a straight push down here. There's no reason for it not to. A clear traffic candle as well. So if you've lost 15 pips earlier, you're gonna catch a nice 40 pip move here on GJ. Make up for that 15 pip. But yeah, stops are entry right now. The only thing you gotta worry about is just it might hit our entry. That's the only thing you might have to worry about. If it does hit our entry, you can wait for like the 15-minute candle to close. See how it closes. Yeah, I think I hit entry there. We hit entry here on GJ. So the 15's about to close in 5 minutes. I'm probably gonna wait for that to close to see what happens here. Because now we're coming back. I think we hear entry, so it's just like that trade was just based off of the fact that the 15-minute broke the lows, right? And I was expecting I was one count down, but like I said, we hear entry, so now we just gotta wait for the 15-minute close to see what's popping here. If it closes bearish like this, I'm probably gonna enter a sell. So don't worry if you hear entry here. There's another opportunity for a sell coming up in 5 minutes here. Just be patient. If you're still in it, then you can still be in it if you want to. Stops are up here for we're up here originally. You can leave your stops up there if you want to, but I got stopped here at entry. So I'm gonna wait for the 15 to close. But you should get a clean countdown here. A clean countdown. Where's my candle?
Bro, we are in July. That's crazy.
This is my candle right here. What happened?
We are in July.
Yeah.
Zoom.
Alright guys, I'm gonna get some water real quick. I'm kinda thirsty.
Oh,
I'll be back. I'm about to call the market makers, you know, BRB. Jimmy, hold down for a little bit.
alright. Yo, what's up? What's up?
Wait, someone asked what's the stop loss? Stops are we hit our entry already, so we're not in the trade right now. We're waiting for the 15-minute close.
Yo,
BRB.
what's up, chat? What's up? What's up? Jimbo taking over. I'm assistant coach. Y'all got any questions? Let me know. Hey yo, chat. Spam GG, spam GG.
Alright, I'm back guys, what up? Got my water. Talk to the market maker real quick. Any
We got stopped out entry, you know.
Yeah, we gotta stop the entry. I gotta stop the entry. I'm not in it anymore. I'm waiting for the 15-minute close in 2 minutes here for another potential entry. Yo, here's a question, guys. Here, would you guys rather enter a trade when it breaks out of range or when you're anticipating a move in the range? Just a question for a chat. I'll preferably wait for. I shall tell you guys later, but what would you guys rather prefer? It's just. Hold on, I'm waiting for chat. Come on, chat. Breakout, you ready for a breakout? I think stops are gonna be like, oof. Breakout, everyone's saying breakout, stress-free trade. You know, here's the thing, like I rather trade anticipating a breakout or range. So for example, right here, if I didn't take the buys, I would have guaranteed had a sell stop right here on GJ, right there. Because now from here, as you start breaking these lows, you can start putting pieces together, saying that we're probably gonna tap down to this support, and you can have a runner from here coming down to this next daily target, anticipating that we're gonna break this low as well. That would have been the ideal trade if I didn't take the buys earlier. Would have been a trade I would have been in probably. Cause like look, you have a bigger range, you know. You have because like whenever you have a breakout like a breakout structure in a range, we're probably gonna tap the support of the range. And when you tap the support of the range, with the New York session coming in, we're probably gonna push further down here. See how like it all lines up together after. So now you would have had a better entry up here than taking an entry down here, which is kind of more risky. Regards to it playing out, but you know same. But you know overall, both work. I just preferably rather have a breakout in a range. Yeah, anticipation. I don't know. I guess breakout. Yeah, like, I don't know. It's like a lot of my anticipations are just stress retrades as well. You guys probably seen on the streams. Sometimes you guys think, what the fuck? How does this guy enter? You know, for breakouts. Because majority of my trades are mainly just anticipations. Like on the streams, you guys probably seen not that many that were actually break out of range. Like this is my the 15-minute close there. I forgot. 15-minute close there. It closed below this range here. I think closed below 1 hour broke the lows. 1 hour's gonna drive down here. 4 hours gonna push down here. Yeah, I'm getting a sell here, guys. Stops are 15 pips. TP is down here. Because this 15-minute candle now broke below this range here. This 15-minute candle broke below this range here. So price should respect, because like now the first 15-minute candle closed, right? So now you know what the high is of the new hourly candle. So if you anticipate that this is the first if this is the hourly candle high for this candle push down, then we shouldn't break this high. So that's why my stop loss is there, and my TP is here because if you look left, there's no traffic to the left. Also below this wick right here, it should be a waterfall down because this is the 4-hour low here. So if you look on the 4-hour candle, we have no traffic as well on GJ. So this should be a clear push down here. Did you sell? Yeah, I'm gonna sell.
No, bro, we need to buy.
Oof, gold broke. The highs. I think if gold closes above 1783, we should be able to push up here. Sure. If I gone at the hourly open here, stops would have been 20 pips. Not bad. I think from here is like a 4-pip move. Not bad, not bad. This is probably my last trade of the day. Probably my last trade of the day. Let's see how it goes. But yeah, you see the hourly candle. You see how we made a high here on this candle. You see how the first 15-minute candle closed bearish. We could use this 15-minute candle to gather information that this is the high, you know, the hourly for it to push down. Because whenever a candle opens up, it makes a high. Whenever it closes, it makes a low, right? So we know the high. Now we gotta figure out what the low is. The low is gonna close in 41 minutes left, so we don't know what the low is yet. We gotta wait for the low to be closed, but we're trying to catch the move here, so we're not gonna wait for the low. You know, the low could be down here at the end of the hourly. Who knows there? You know, New York's about to open up here. Well, New York just opened up, so we should get a huge move here on GJ. I'm gonna sell second trade for me today. Oof. 1 hour for users, but I popped down too. User also broke the lows. User came down to the support. Damn.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Did gold just shoot down? Oh shit.
What is happening?
Stop loss is 15 pips. TP is 40 pips. What is this? A 1 to 4, 1 to 3, something like that. Is it 1 3, 1 2?
Something like that. 1-3. Almost 1-3.
Look at this, guys. No traffic. No traffic. No traffic. No traffic. All you gotta do is cover this up. Make your life easier, you know? Make your life easier. Cover this up. Literally from there to there, and what do you see? One candle, right? So you're gonna see the exact same candle on the right side here, coming down. This is all you gotta see, right there. Let's just cover everything up, and let's look at the price later. You know, people send markups of a bunch of fibs, a bunch of indicators. Man, this is my markup right here. This is literally my markup, one chart. Is it a different target in the Telegram group? It's the same target. TP 13266. Same target. It's just like not even 1 pip off, half a pip off. Same target level. Oh shit, gold is coming down here. Gold's about to break these lows here. You have a clean traffic on gold as well here. Gold's about to come down here, right here. Major pusher. Major pusher. Oh shit, guys. We always see a waterfall here. I think, guys, what's gonna happen is well, this is what's gonna happen if we break this high. If the GJ breaks this high, we're gonna go back in the range here. But I really don't see it breaking the highs. We broke the 4 lows, you know, should be good to go. Close below the range. See, this is a breakout. This what we just traded was a breakout. What was if we were to enter a sell up here, this would have been anticipation. Anticipation requires a lot more skill and, you know, a lot more practice. But I guess I don't know. I think they're more accurate. Personally, for me, they're more accurate than actual breakouts. Oh shit, gold's falling here. $30 minutes, about close in 8 minutes here. I think today's stream might be a little longer. I'm gonna make it a little longer today. Stop loss 133, 150. Yeah, that's a stop loss. That's my stop loss. The coordinates in the Telegram is like literally like we're not even half a pip off. This is earlier when I sent the signal, I was rushing it, so I was literally like, you know, boom, 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 boom. It's kind of hard being a signal provider, you know, and giving an extra live trades out because you gotta type really fast. Signal. No one else does it. It's just me. It gives out the signal. You know, when I say take profit now, you gotta see it super fast, man. If I don't say it on time, people are like, man, it wasn't at 10 pips on. What do you mean? You know, I get a bunch of those questions after. I gotta type it super fast. When I was on my bike yesterday, I was typing super fast.
That's when I hit the e-brake on the goddamn fight.
Snoop Dogg. You guys seen this video? This was funny.
Let's play it, right? Since we just chilling.
There's no volume. Snoop Dogg was funny, man.
Man, that whole interview was funny, man.
Did the 15 break the lows here? Oh no, it came close. Damn, if you break the highs here, probably gonna come back at the range. If you break the highs here, guys, this is my last trade of the day. If a 15 closes bullish, it would make sense to close half? Yeah, it would. It would make sense. Let's see. Until we break the lows, we're still in it. I mean, the highs, we're still in it. I was looking for something on my Instagram page. What was I looking for? Well, it was a questionnaire. Where is it? Was it this one? Here's an example of a fake out versus a breakout play right here. So on this first one, what is this? This is an anticipation, and this is a breakout because you actually broke out the range here above this target. We closed bullish and broke out the range, but this is an anticipation. Guess what played out in between these two scenarios? This one did not play out. This one has no top wick, and I mean that there's not enough support here, and also there's not enough support here for a price to go up. But here you have the support right here, and the next candle popped up bullish and fill this wick and eventually pop further up. So there's a little example of anticipation versus breakout. I don't think for the month of June we've ended any of our days negative before. Like we took losses during the day, but like we also ended our day positive after with like a second trade or something, right? So if this is my last trade, guys, so if it does hit stops and if we get stopped out here, this might be our first day where we actually ended off negative. But let's see. We haven't closed yet. We haven't broken the highs yet. 30 minutes still bearish. It's still looking good. Don't worry. Until it breaks the high, then you can say, okay, yeah, this trade is tossed. This trade is chalked. But let's see. US30 broke the highs here. This count's probably gonna push up to this target. Oh no, I forgot to update this. Trade 2 GPGPY sells, break even, and then we took another sell. Let's see. We're still in this third sell. There we go. And third trade. 3 GPGPY sells. See what's gonna happen. We're close to a stop loss. We didn't break the highs yet. Until we break the highs, we're still in this trade. 15 close bullish. So who asked earlier? Close half? Yeah. We're probably I mean it's right there anyways, right? So this is might as well still hold it. But yeah, that deal will be just a close half at when it can close bullish here. 15 close bullish, that's not a good sign for the trade. So let's see. 30-minute didn't break the highs yet though. 30-minute closed bearish. Currently down 13 pips here on GJ. Flipping back bearish. This could be a wick fill. But this thing is, this candle close very weak bullish, you know. So if this bearish candle close like more like this, you know, like something like this, you could have popped another entry here on GJ. But this candle pop close very weak bullish. So I don't know. This wick, we still have a chance to fill in this wick here and coming down. It's just that this candle close very weak. So if I was in the position where I didn't enter yet, I wouldn't enter right now, right? But since we're in it, we're just in it. Our stops is up here. So until it breaks the high, we're not getting out. But yeah, it's a very weak bearish candle, very weak. And obviously, once the 1 hour flips bullish, that'll mean that we broke the highs. Oh, where am I then? Then GG hit stops. Nope, very close, very close. Thing is, like, okay, so here's the thing. We're breaking the highs here, right? On the 30-minute. But like the 4 hour broke the lows already. And the 4 hours gonna close bearish. Probably still. So it's gonna be a little rough here, you know? It's gonna be a little rough. I don't know. Taking buys for me right now, like it's gonna be, there's no buys. Like usually I'll probably have a buy stop here coming up to fill the range here. But like the previous 1 hour candle is still bearish, you know? It's kind of rough. I think buys will probably be above this level still, but right now it's still rough. We're still in this range right now. If you do come back, if you do break the highs here. There you go, guys. Stops have been hit on this trade. Trade 3 today hit stops for 15 pips, so that's negative 30 pips for a day. This is I think the most pips we've lost in a day. Oh no, that's 15 pips. Sorry. There we go. Yeah, so we broke the highs. You know, we tried to take a sell here. First one got stopped at entry. Second one, you know, we broke the highs of the 1 hour time from the 30-minute. Broke the highs. We're probably gonna come back in the range here. It's a very, you know, this is nothing's just playing out today. You know, but these are trades that I would usually take though. You know, there's no traffic on the left here. GJ on the 4 hour broke the lows. The 4 hour broke the lows. You know, it's just a very tough day today. That might have been my last. I gotta see. Let's see what happens here. We still have like an hour left on the streams. So since like we broke the 30-minute highs here, we're probably gonna, you know, push back in the range here. But you know, if I take this buy here, I'm gonna be over leveraging. What the fuck is a hotkey? Yeah, anyways, yeah, if I take a buy here, I'm probably gonna be I'm over trading, you know, and that's something that you don't want to do as a trader. You know, if you see, you can't enter everything that you see in the markets, you know, you have to take what makes sense for you and take what you're comfortable with. And if I take this buy here, I won't be comfortable with it because this is my third trade of the day. Fourth trade of the day, actually. And like, I usually take 4 trades if I don't have 2 losing trades. If I have 2 losing trades, then, you know, my day is kind of done there. Like, there's no way I'm gonna take, I'm taking a 4th trade here. 4 hour broke the highs and the lows. Did it? Yeah, 4 hour broke the highs and the lows. Kind of rough. GU is bullish? Is GU really bullish? Why isn't GJ coming up? GPG is the... Yeah, GU is still bullish. GU would have been more clear today. Much more clear. But yeah. Tough day today, tough day. But, you know, this range probably gonna get filled now. 359. I think if GJ breaks this 1 hour high here, you can probably have a buy stop here to go up. Bullish. This is I'm probably not gonna take a buy here. I don't know. 2 losses, guys. Like this is if I take a trade, man, it's not gonna be good. Yeah, you guys gotta think, man. Like, if you take 2 losses in a day, your trading day is done. You know, like if you take 1 loss, 1 win, your day should be done as well. You know, but if you take like 2 losses, your day is 100% done. You trading after those 2 losses would just lead up to you revenge trading, over trading. You know, so yeah, it's gotta be disciplined, guys. It's all. Anticipation works, GJ works. Yeah, anticipation works for me personally. It works. It has a higher chance of playing out because like range breakouts are kind of like this is a breakout trade right here. This is a breakout trade, and majority of you guys said you guys would rather take breakout trades, and this was a breakout trade. A lot of traders sold here as well. We broke out below the range here. 4 hours bearish. Everything was bearish, you know. But then now it's kind of closed bullish back in the range, and now we're just filling the range here. So it's kind of like a fake out, down to go up kind of thing. But you know, I see the buys. Like, I've seen the buys here. If you had buy stops here on 30-minute here, like this is a buy wheel took, but I didn't take the sells right here to go up. Like I've seen the buys. It's just I'm not gonna take everything that I see. Yeah, like you're gonna have a forward. Like, if you take a forward trader and you have a 40 pip stop loss here, man, like, and you take that loss too, man, you're gonna feel like shit after, and like you're just gonna end up blowing your account because you're gonna keep chasing that same trade. Don't trade on them. Yeah, I'm not gonna trade. My day is done here. I know how to handle my my discipline. Am I upset? No, I'm not upset. Am I sad? No, I'm not sad. Am I gonna, you know, chase my losses back? No, I'm not gonna chase my losses back. I'm still up for the year, the month, the week. Like, actually, for a week I'm actually like around break even, but like you know, I'm not gonna sit around here and just you know, dwell on this trade here. A lot of people would chase this back right now. A lot of people would chase this, you know. A lot of people would actually remove their stop loss action and let the trader go, but sometimes you gotta accept your stop loss. If it hits your certain stop loss, just accept that you placed it there for a reason. You see, we placed our stop loss there, and what happened once it broke? It came all the way up further. So this is just unnecessary right now. Right now we're just praying and hoping that's gonna come down further, when the trade doesn't make any sense anymore. Overall, guys, we're still in this range. Think about it. We're still in this range overall. On a 1 hour. Look at this range. Resistance support here. So we actually haven't had a breakout yet. But if you guys haven't like taken a lot of trades today, if you haven't taken any trades actually, you could actually attempt to buy here. Probably buy stops above this candle here, coming up to this target. That's got a nice 50 pip target, and then you can leave the runner going up if this actually breaks the high, you know. Did we take the trade? Yeah, we took the trade here. Yeah. This is a part of worst day on the streams. Worst day on streams since we started. This one biggest loss actually. Since we started in March. This is probably the biggest loss we've taken since we started. 15 pips plus 15 pips, 30 pips. But we actually call it 10 pip here, so technically it's like 20 pips. But you know, still, like these two losses, it's been a while since, you know, we actually lost like this on the streams. But you know, guys, you know, we're still here. Still lit. Come back better tomorrow. Come back better later during Asian probably. Who knows, might get another move, but you know, I'm pretty done. If you guys are enjoying the streams, leave a like on the streams. Damn, Jimmy, why are you so quiet now? Yeah. Oh, Sam just woke up. See what you just did?
Yo.
Go for yo.
Yo, what's good?
Took 2 losses today, bruh.
Yeah.
Kind of tough.
Yeah,
Look at it. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. 1 hour close bullish here. You know, took a buy here. 30, but based off a 30-minute because 30 minutes
Is it a
closing.
holiday?
No, Canadian holiday. There's moves today. There's actually shit playing out. Alright, look at this. This is a buy for me, you know, off this bullish candle here. You know, got stopped on that, and then what happened after was called sells down to here, and then what happened after that was, you know, took another sell just now. 15-minute This after this candle broke out this range here, and then price came back in the range here. Like just nothing, just like shit that I'll take every day. Just didn't play out today.
Yeah. Yeah, you can't really do anything about it.
Yeah, I can't really do anything about it.
Yeah, bro, I woke up at like 7:15 and I looked at the chart and I seen like it was ranging and then I should have woke up, but
So 4% yes. Yeah, I lost around 4% today. 34%. I think 3.6 to be exact. My account. 3.6% my account. I think, yo, Sam, you didn't take any trades there, right?
no.
I think you can take buys here above this for sure. Loss might be a little big though. You might have to wait for the 9:15 candle or something, but
Yeah, I might wait for that early.
this guy's sleeping,
See
bruh.
what's going on. Yeah, bro. My sleep's messed up right now.
Is there a cat?
No, that's me.
Okay, I just heard a cat.
Nah, probably not. Ooh, pushing up.
Yeah.
Man, it has that one move though.
Like I'm pretty sure, like if he, you know, 4 hour broke. Look at the 4 hour. It broke the low, and it came back up now. That's crazy. We're probably gonna push up here, most likely.
Oh yeah.
Like probably
But
gonna push
also,
up.
the 9 o'clock candle is a 4 hour candle too, so.
3.6%. Yeah, I lost 3.6% for a day. Cause like I said, like some not all my trades are exactly at 3% or 2%. It's actually below it. But like I'll stick to less than 3% per trade, right? I said earlier it was it's like around 1 to 2% around that. Oof, 1 hour's I'll break the highs here, but I'll push up.
Bro, at like 11 last night, 9, 10, 11, it was clean.
Yeah, it was so
Just looking
clean.
at
I
it.
hopped off, yeah.
So sells.
Yo, it's been a rough week. I'm not even gonna cap. It's been a rough week.
Yeah.
Super rough
It's
week.
been alright.
Like last week of June, like last week wasn't bad. At the end of the week, the ranging market wasn't that bad. But like this week, it's been a rough start. A super rough start. But I'm still happy because I'm actually still entering 2 trades per day during the New York stream. So that's all that matters. So the same my discipline. But yo, if you break the highs in the 1 hour and this does not come up to this resistance, I don't know what to say about today, bro. That's just crazy. She's so crazy.
That's just a little,
I think I gotta stop playing
that's just a
Warzone.
little wild.
I think I gotta stop playing
Oh, shit.
Warzone.
GP CAD's still moving.
Yeah, it's still moving. The pound's super
Yo,
volatile.
stop playing Warzone.
I gotta stop playing Warzone. Start focusing
Wait,
again on
you think
this.
I know, bro. That's how I've been feeling.
Like I really think I got carried away. I really gotta stop playing Warzone. Nah, I didn't get carried away. It's just the trades don't play out. You know, this is how it is.
Nah, yeah, everybody's having a little issue.
I haven't had a day like this in a while though, so it's just like it feels weird, you know? Like it feels weird. I haven't had a day like this since April, bro.
Mhm. It's all good. Yeah, but yo, I swear it was like the same, kind of like the same thing for what was it, Asian session last night?
Asian wasn't bad. Like I don't know. I was on a
Looks like
bike.
that no. What happened was like I don't know if it was for Asian, if it was for New York, but it was formed like this. It was like okay, like top, and then it broke the top, and then it came up. Remember when we had those buys?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And then
Like,
it came back in the
yeah.
range. Yeah.
And then, but now it's just like
Right here.
can't,
This
yeah.
kind of, yeah, this kind
Like
of right
it's not
here.
even, yeah,
Like,
but it's breaking. It's just faking out every time.
yeah, like this right here was a fake out too, right? Right here. This would have been a buy entry for a lot of people. Boom.
Yeah.
Been a ratchet entry right there. Boom, go up, fill that wick, and then faked out. Boom. It's like so many like fake breakouts here.
Yeah, that's what GJ's been on. Yo, I swear the time for the moose has been like has literally been like at like 9 like every day
Yeah, 9 to 11.
for like through the actual moose.
After rain comes sun tomorrow. Yeah, like I think like last month or something, or April. I think I lost like in a day I lost like 5-6%, and then what happened after was the next day I made like 8% or something. Like I just like, there's a huge move. The runner just went so crazy the next day. But you know, guys, some days this is the whole purpose of trading. Some days you lose, some days oh, we broke the highs here.
Let's see. Yeah, I'm probably for 9:15 candle.
Not 15 candle.
Yeah,
I'm missing a sig.
just in a quick sig.
I think cause like this is the move I was waiting for all morning, you know, and oh man, I said to myself, this is my mindset today. I'm only taking buys today, and I'll only take sells. I will only take sells if we officially close below this range, and we actually closed below the range on the 15-minute, right? And I got triggered on that. I got lost on that as well. So it's like I followed my plan today. It just didn't work today, but like this high that was broken is what I was waiting for all morning. But now like I'm pretty sure we're gonna push this target and then eventually this target today. It's like a 90 pip move from this breakout right here.
Is it like it's no holiday for Japan or?
Nah, bro, it's Canada Day.
I know.
Yeah.
Because it's just range.
If you were in this trade, it'd be bad. Exactly. XG. If I was in this trade, it'll be it'll be bad profits. Even if I made profits off this trade, it'll be bad profits. No matter how good it looks right now, I'm done. You know, like I can give a signal. I can do whatever I want, but yeah, I'm just not gonna personally enter. You know, it's bad profits, bro. And people don't understand that. People don't know the difference between good profits and bad profits. People think everything is good profits, and that's how they end up losing their shit.
Man, God bless me today.
Yeah, see, I woke up late. You would have seen so many opportunities too. I think what you would have entered probably I think you would have entered sells here. You would have made you would have made profits here.
Oh, if it broke the
A wire, yeah, you would have for sure entered there. That's your trade. Like I was gonna enter too. I would have, but I took the buys. You know, like I just took the buys.
Oh, true.
Like you know how it goes both ways. Like you can take a buy here and you can sell stuff too. And you know it's rough today, bro. It's just rough.
Yeah.
I'm gonna buy for
For
GG.
sure. That sounds bad for me.
Yeah, I sent a signal out for GG buys as well.
What are your stops though? I know it's not you.
Stops are all the way down there. TP's all the way up here. It's gonna be a runner trade. You know what's crazy though? Yesterday I actually mentioned GJ popping up to I mentioned GJ popping up to this 4-hour this resistance here at 133, 140. I wasn't expecting it to come up that far, but this shit flew.
Yeah, it flew.
It flew like crazy.
That's a move I missed. That's a move you missed too, right?
Robin?
Oh no, you caught the buy, but you missed the runner, right?
Yeah, I closed out at 10 pips.
It was like 100 pips.
Yeah, I talked about the runner. I'm like, you know what? Like I took a trade that I lost today. I'm just gonna close at 10 pips here and call it a day.
Yeah.
Bad profits when you win.
Did you see Jay's trade?
Who?
Jay?
Who's that?
Jay in the cut?
Nah, what do you take?
He took it off the daily when I closed bullish at support.
Oh shit! So he had a 30 pip stop loss, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I saw
40%
that.
loss.
Yeah. It was a good trade. It was a good trade. That's crazy.
Crazy trade.
Cause whenever the daily in 4 hours like a low range,
risky,
it's rare. It's rare though for that to happen. For a daily low to be 30 pips. Kind of rare.
Oh, true. Yeah, yeah. It's good value. Yeah.
Bad profit is when you win from a trade you was not supposed to take according to rules. Exactly. That's what bad profits are. And this is bad profits. If I take a buy right now, that's bad profits. Even if I do make my shit back, if I make all my account, my plus more on this trade, it will still be bad profits. So that's how you guys don't understand. The views just dropped from like 80 to 53 after that signal.
Damn.
After that trade.
Damn, y'all some gold diggers, bro.
Only show up when we have profitable days. It's alright though, guys. It's just, you know, streaming is like, that's how it's gonna be. Streaming education. Like, if you're streaming video games, it's different. Win or lose a game, bad performance or good performance, they're always gonna be there. But like, streaming, giving pips out, it's like people leave when you have a bad day and they dip and they stay if you have a good day, you know.
Man, I wonder how Roger did today.
He did good, I think. He got 18 pips on the sell. The sell that I talked about.
So, yo, I feel like for these markets right now, it's like you just catch one. If you catch one good trade, then you don't take any other trades.
Yeah.
Like,
You gotta cash out people, bro. I'm not gonna cash out people to watch my streams. The streams are free to start off with, first of all.
damn.
Nah,
Jimmy,
bro.
Were you up for London?
Huh?
Were you up for London?
I took like one trade in London, like just a little slow.
Man, I seen a clean trade. What was it?
I put in the chat, just closed it early because it hit like strong support. So I was like, okay, just close and go to sleep.
Shit. Oh, there was a clean trade at like 6:30.
Yeah, I was
Clean sell.
I was at the gym. I was like,
Yeah.
whatever. I stopped out twice today. So trades.
You know, guys, we took 30 pip losses today, but, you know, do the math. How did June go? How did May go? How did April go? How did March go on the streams? What? John Lee said Traders Domain is gonna close. Traders Domain? Oh, Traders. Oh yeah, he did say that. I don't know. It's just beef that I am not. I don't care about.
Like, you don't know what the fuck you're talking about. Bro, there's no way that broker can close to one. They don't finesse. Two, they have pretty good customer service. Three, he said it's just gonna close because they was just doing a domain upgrade, website upgrade. Huh?
I'm telling you guys, don't believe anything, any beef or anything on the internet. It's all for marketing. I promise you this. Sean Lee is literally doing all this for marketing. If you guys know what's happening right now, it's literally all for marketing. So
Yeah.
if you guys see me start beef with someone, another trader, it's probably me marketing. All right.
Nah, with me and Don, if we beef, bro, I'm throwing a diss track on his ass.
Yeah, man. Roger caught those sells and you didn't take the buy.
If I didn't take the buy, I would take a sell, guaranteed. And if I didn't, thing is, if I didn't take the sell here, I would take a buy right here as we broke the highs. Like this, you see? See those buys, man? Oh man, would've been like a nice 20 pips here on GJ. But I think for Canada,
Pretty nasty range.
I think what I gotta do is I gotta start a simulator again, guys.
Yeah, simulator, bro. We gotta do simulator.
On a Sunday again. I really gotta do it again.
Sundays.
I'm always out on every Sunday now, cause when I was in quarantine I wasn't doing anything, but now Sundays I'm usually out. But I guess I gotta sacrifice an hour for simulator.
Just before Asian, just do it like even like 5:30.
I'll do yeah 4 or 5.
Another job, so but my time is really constrained now.
Wait, you have 2 jobs now?
Yeah.
Oh. How nut.
Gotta get this bag, man. Need too much damn bills. My life expensive. Look at that. But not for him. I like it.
Live too lavish, bro.
Nah,
If you guys haven't followed the Instagram page,
Jimmy, you're
Go ahead and
spending
follow
too
it.
much money on the hose.
no, bruh. I just helped my mom pay out like a couple bills. Bruh,
Shit,
expensive
shit.
as hell now. And bruh, I tell these customers, I'm like, bruh, whole pandemic. Give me a fucking break. That's hard. It's 1 month. $500. Fucking bills, bro. That's just how it is. I'm sorry, I got going on.
How much is y'all rent?
Oh, no, we got more here.
Oh, yo, you got a crib?
I live in the burbs, man. My
Oh, sure.
mortgage. Oops, I'm putting out numbers.
1 hour
Y'all
close.
y'all spell your mortgage.
Mortgage, 1.2.
Damn.
House is pretty much still, to be honest. Live by hella school. Trying to get this FOREX money up so I could redo my house. That's one of my goals.
It's about as fast as it closed in the range. It closed above the range. I'm gonna wait for the 15-minute candle to see something.
Man, I just don't trust that.
Plus what? 15 minutes?
4 hour though. Look at the 4 hour though. Look at the 4 hour.
Oh yeah, 4 hours looks nice.
Like you could take a buy here, guys. Don't get me wrong. You could take a buy here. If I were to take a buy, if I didn't take a trade today, or if I wanted to risk 40 pips, this would be my trade. This would be my trade.
I just can't, yeah, I can't
If I did not, cause look at the 4 hour. We broke the lows, and whenever we break the lows and come back and close bullish, bro, you know what that means. You know what that means. That's like a fake out without actually showing a fake out. Like it always play.
with a vengeance.
Yeah, like look at this, guys. If I didn't take a trade, this would be my trade. You know, this would be my trade. If you didn't take a trade, this could be your trade too, right? But I'm not taking a trade. I'm done for the day. I'm gonna wait. Like if anything, you can wait for a 15-minute if you don't want bigger stops, but. Keep grinding, man. Yes, sir. Is tomorrow's not a holiday, is it? Tomorrow's gonna be a normal day, yeah.
GJ.
Yep. I gave a signal out for VIP members and the Telegram chats, both chats. If you guys are in it, this is the trade right now. If you guys are in it, if you guys got the Telegram notification, this is the trade. You can move stops to entry right here though, and let the trader run risk free. Yeah. If you guys got in the Telegram trades, on the signal and the free channel, then close 10%. I mean, half of the position here at 10 pips, and move stops to entry. Close. Yeah, there we go.
I was thinking about getting it once it broke the high and just having a stop below the current candle, but just risky.
This is a potential 90 pip move on GJ. Put it in trades called. Yeah, I'm putting in trades called. I give a VIP signal out, and the free channel as well. So you guys got in, secure 10 pips here, and let the rest go. Well, up or leaving our runner. So EP securing and plus.
Man, all the moves are happening at 9.
Yeah.
See, at 9 or 9:30, what all these moves are.
There we go, guys. We made something out of the day, I guess. 10 pips. I guess we caught 20 pips today. So technically, we're only down like 10 pips for a day. If you take every single trade that I mentioned today.
GG's volatile though.
It's gonna.
It's a lot of pips.
I'm confident that we're gonna reach the target today. Now that the forward closed bullish, I'm pretty confident we're gonna reach the target today. This is a 90 pip move here.
Just busted out of range. Man, these buys at damn, at like 4 a.m. were not bad. Might have to turn to a London Demon, bruh. Might have to turn to a London Demon.
Next week, London Demon only be a London guy again,
If you guys aren't in the Telegram channel, if you click, there's a link to it on the course website. Go down to here, just go on Telegram right here. Boom, this is the channel right here. This is where I sent the signal. I sent to the free one as well. Your boys need to buy proper mics, man.
Who?
Yeah.
Not me.
What?
I've been telling them.
I thought my mic was proper, bruh.
I'm like proper. What you mean?
If you ain't got the Astros A40s,
Shut up.
I don't know what to say.
Shut up, man. Only 30 numbers behind, alright? Give me yeah. Don't worry, bro. Headset upgrade on the way. Look at that.
You ain't got the Astros.
What?
I think I gotta raise their volume up. That's why I hear.
What
There you go. Should be fine.
the pucker?
Should be fine now. Yeah, I fixed it. A little louder now. You see, this trade I gave started off with a 40 pip stops, but now it's a risk-free trade. There was no drawdown on the trade. This trade I gave. Stops are down here, and then now, whose mic is that? Now stops that entry. I'm not in this trade. If you guys ask me, I am not in this trade. I took 3 trades today. I'm done for a day, but you know, if you guys are in, then there you go. GG long-term bullish? Yeah, GG is long-term bullish. Like, I've been saying it for weeks now. I've been saying that we're gonna tap this level, 139, and then eventually tap these levels up here at 141 eventually again. Right, but we're probably gonna retest this high again. If it's not this week, it's gonna be next week for GJ. But I'm pretty bullish on GJ. I've always been bullish for long-term. I've never been bearish on GJ long-term. Even with gold, I was never bearish for gold long-term. They're just both very bullish. Heavy for runner. Nice, bro. Catch you later. Yeah, today's stream might go a little longer. Let's see what happens here. If you guys are liking the stream, leave a like on the stream. If you guys took this buy, leave a like on the stream. I mean, I guess today we're going down like, you know, this 20 pips plus 30 pips. We're down like 10 pips for a day. Not bad, you know, not bad, but it's just, it's tough, it's tough. It's a tough day. Let's see how his runner goes though. If this runner goes 9 pips today, man, we're gonna finish the day off strong. Great effort, guys. Appreciate it.
I'm good.
15 closed, did it? 15 didn't close yet, did it? No, 4 minutes
Oh,
left.
5 minutes.
Are you gonna close? Are you gonna enter just Sam?
I don't know. Cause just look at what it's been doing. Like,
Yeah. I don't know. Let's clean. Let's clean.
yeah, it looks a bit cleaner.
This might be the 4 of a low. Like look at the 4 of a low. You know, that might be the 4 of a low for price to go up. Who knows? It might be a low nib. And we should push up like this, bullish. Let's see what's popping here.
What's popping?
What up, new people? Welcome, welcome.
Man, just watch it do the exact same shit that's been doing.
If it fakes back down, bro, I don't know what to say about today. Today is just you know.
That's like some like stairs formation or something. It's like
Yeah, there's there's formation. New trade. We can really see break 133.80. Yeah. We're gonna retest these highs, guys, and once we retest the highs, we're probably gonna push further up to these targets up here, 134, 289. Then I made the same mistake I made yesterday. I took sells, like I was bullish yesterday. I took sells, 7 pip stops, and then I took buys after with 27 pips. The buys played out. Same thing as today. If I just took every single buys today, I would have never gone to sells. Would have been profit for the buys.
yeah.
I know what I gotta work on. Yeah, like I know what I gotta work on now.
Buys, just buys, but
Like no matter how good the sells look, it's just you're still going against like the low trend. But you know, sells are quite risky today. I'm not gonna lie. Hey Sharif, you got in buys too or no? I know you got sells there. You got a good trade in for sells, but I'm not sure if you got in buys.
all came down, eh?
No, I'm not in any more. No, I've done 2 trades today. I took one in London session and one pre-New York. That's
Oh,
2 done
shit.
today.
Yeah. Yeah, gold is guys, gold is coming down here. Yeah. Gold target is 1769. Can we get likes for that too, guys?
No.
Like a potential 100 pip move, 100 pip mover on gold. So who knows? We can still, you know, it's still a good day. It's not that bad. Not that bad. I must stay in the stream until it hits an entry or it hits TP. How about we do that? We're gonna watch a runner go today. I think the 15's unclosed here. We shouldn't even break these lows if we want to push up here. Yeah, we're closing soon here. 1 minute just broke the high.
Yeah.
Yeah. 1 minute time frame broke the highs. Shift up.
30 seconds is definitely
30
demolishing the
seconds
high.
busting.
30 seconds. Oh, one minute just broke the lows now. Little fake out on a 1 minute.
I just changed my bias up to 1 minute.
Just imagine scalping on the one of that. I'm a hyper scalper.
Bruh, man, that's what I thought scalping was when I first started. I'm like, alright, you hop on the one.
Literally, yeah. You literally
just
catch
go
every
crazy.
you catch every single move in the markets within a 3 hour time span until you get bored
Nah,
or blow
like-
your account.
Nah, like,
We'd have to use some big lots to like make that worth it.
Yeah, like you catch one pip, 1,000 lot, you're blessed.
this is what I thought scalping was. Alright, so like when I first started, I was like, alright, so scalping, you go on 1 and 5, you pop like a fat ass lot, hop in, hop out. Man, that shit was fucking hilarious, bro. That shit worked out for like a little, and like I just got caught slipping one time, and never going to this server again.
Yeah, I don't know if I trust this GJ. It closed back in the range. Yerm.
No.
It closed back in the range. I don't know. Whenever it's still, you know, going here. 15-minute close bullish, like nice wick fill. I don't know. Look at the past 4 15-minute candles. You know. I mean, yeah. If it breaks the low, yeah, you can probably sell it off. To be honest, but it's gonna be quite fucked if it does break the lows. Yeah, I'd rather buy for sure.
I don't know.
It's TP on ALA. I know, runner's still blowing up here. We're like, what? The runner is like 7 pips in profit. Let's see what's popping here.
It's like 9 pips off, it's not bad.
That boy locked that, man.
Lock is I don't know where he's at. What's the target for the runner? My target for the runner is 134.289 based off the daily time frame. I'm probably like, I'm not in it, right? But you can probably close majority of your positions like once you reach this target right here, and then let the rest go. Let the rest go up to here.
Oh yeah, if we break this 15-minute low, I'm gonna take a sell.
Yeah. If you break the 15-minute low, I'm probably gonna end the stream. But it's not hit entry. I'm not gonna watch this for the rest of the day. It's nonsense at this point. If it breaks that low. I'm retaining a sell if it breaks the low. This is supposed to hit entry here. Yeah, this might hit entry here. Yeah, I think it hit entry. Let's see if it breaks the low though. So not bad. Secured 10 pips in that trade. Not bad. I guess we ended off the day 20 pips today. Gold sells if you took that. Like we're still in it right now. Took sells as well on gold. Coming down to that daily target right there. I think right here is a very strong support as well, so you can probably close off like majority of positions here, so not bad. I mean, live is smooth. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Just you know, not the best live today, but you know, it is what it is. Yeah, I think we called the gold sells today too. Gold sells. When it came to GPY, GPY got hit entry. We hit entry already on this trade. Entry has been hit on this trade. I mean, you can wait for a 30-minute close bullish to see what's popping. Let's see. 30-minute. Let's see how it closes. Only 5 losses in the month of June. I really thought we were gonna end off the month with 2 losses, because the last week we had like 2 losses, then all of a sudden last week 3 losses came. Kinda tough. Kinda tough. If a 30-minute closes bullish here, you can probably pop another entry here. We have 9 minutes left. See what happens. Yeah, 133, 520 is a strong resistance. Like this level right here is a strong resistance. We broke out of it barely, but like this level right here is actually a pretty strong resistance. But based off the 4-hour and based off the daily, like I'm expecting to push past this and eventually pop up later. Say you're overtrading or revenge trading. I'm not overtrading. This is not my trades. I only took 2 trades today. Buys and sells, negative 30 pips. This is what I called for people on the streams. This right here. I'm not overtrading. I haven't taken a trade since the sells earlier. Whatever I called, that trade that I just put up on my chart, that was a signal I sent. But I did not personally take it. No, I didn't take it. I am not overtrading. I talked about it already. I talked about how if I take the trade, it's gonna be bad profits. As good as it looks, it's gonna be bad profits. So yeah. But you know, if you guys took everything today, if you guys took all the calls, you guys would end up, I guess, break even or around in profit with the gold sells as well, right? With all the trade ideas I've thrown out today. Yesterday popped up. See? Yesterday popped back up. I think we mentioned buys as well, but tough. Look at that 4 broke the lows, came all the way down, and then came back up in a range, closed bullish. Man, it's just tough today.
I'm coming back to unregulated brokers. US30 is calling me.
You can trade US30 on shares though, man.
But no, the contract size don't hit like Osprey, bro.
But it's still the same amount of profits, same amount of lot size. The 1.0 is just 0.01, same shit. It might not look nice, but it's the same shit. The profits stay the same, all that stay the same, trades is the same. How's tomorrow looking though? Daily's on close. Oof. If the daily can't close is bearish today, guys, tomorrow we might look for like potential sells coming down to the support here. See. Tomorrow might be a bit better than today, depending on how the day count closes there. Yep, 30 minute broke the lows, you know, 30 minutes closed bearish here. There's no point in streaming anymore, you know, this is probably gonna range back in the range here and just then here. So if you guys are still trading now, you know, you might have some like I don't know, you could catch yourself down in here, but it might be a bit rangy here. So you know guys, how much money you lost today? I lost about, let me check. Oh, 2-3? 2-3? 2-3K? 8.0 lots? Yeah, around 2.7.
That's a whole lot of money.
Works 80% of the time, most of the time. Alright guys, you know what? I'm gonna hop off the stream here guys. Take it easy today. Don't overtrade, don't over leverage, you know. Don't overtrade, especially if you took all the trades today. Don't overtrade it. But other than that, guys, catch you guys tomorrow during New York stream. And there's gonna be something up on Instagram later, a special little video for you guys. I mean, on YouTube later. So happy Canada Day for all my Canadians, and we'll come back tomorrow stronger than ever. Peace, brother.
Yeah.
What a